Google Scholar is a freely accessible search engine that can help you easily find and access research articles from across the globe. As you can see on the homepage, Google Scholar includes a simple text box search tool and the ability to select either articles or case law. This is an especially helpful feature for education policymakers seeking to blend research and the law to help students. One thing I like about Google Scholar is that it links to your existing Google accounts. As you interact with Google Scholar, its algorithms learn what kinds of research you are interested in, and it will populate recommendations right on the homepage. To start searching Google Scholar, simply type a search word into the text box and click the magnifying glass. For demonstration, let's search English learners. You can see that this search has returned over 2 million potential hits. For each article displayed in the results, you can find the article title, a list of authors, a publication date, and relevant indexing information. To the right, you can find a direct access link. Some of these links go direct to PDF files. Usually, those articles link to the ERIC database, which I discussed in another video. And some will take you to university research repositories or to journal landing pages. To the left of the search results are filters that can be applied to narrow down your search. With more than 2 million hits, the application of filters is certainly necessary. For the sake of demonstration, I'm going to limit my search only to articles published since the start of the current year. Now I have around 28,000 hits. Google Scholar doesn't have as many filters as other research databases. Instead, you can further narrow your research by adding a more descriptive keyword. Instead of English learners, let's search for relationship building with English learners. Now I have narrowed my results down to around 18,000. Unlike academic databases, which tend to show summary information when you click on the paper title, Google Scholar functions much in the same way the usual Google search engine does. Clicking a paper title will take you to a web page that hosts the given paper. This can be a convenient feature, as many times databases require multiple clicks to direct you to the article's original source. But it can also be a barrier, as the nature of Google Scholar sometimes makes it difficult to gain access to the papers you want to read. Those without access to robust resources provided by research libraries may struggle to complete their task when relying on the Google Scholar platform. This has been a brief introduction to Google Scholar. This free and intuitive search tool is a great way to gain access to research using the usual search engine rules that you apply to everyday searches on the internet. It is handy for those in specialized areas who often read research on the same genre, as the algorithm can learn your preferences and make better recommendations. But it can sometimes be challenging to access research articles directly. Next time you're looking to get started on a research project, consider the free resources provided by the Google Scholar as your starting point.